Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are waiting or were waiting for some insider builds, well, Microsoft did announce, and the insider team did announce that it's done for 2025. So don't go and looking for your Windows insider builds this week nor next week. It'll be back in a couple of weeks after the new year. And the Windows Insider program, of course, will continue to run in 2026. I think what's going to be interesting to see in 2026 is who is going to take over the Windows Insider program. I think this is going to be interesting, especially with all the big names that now are gone. It means that there will be big shoes to fill. And what does it mean for the direction of the Insider program? Maybe this could be a refreshing new restart. I talked about it several weeks ago where I was saying that, you know what, maybe it's time for a restart, complete restart of the Insider builds. Let's restart the Insider program, do it differently, do it better, and make it simpler. Because right now it's a program where I think everybody's lost. You don't know what you're testing. You don't know what you're testing for, who and where and how, and will it eventually make it or not. And so this is, I think, going to be a interesting year to see if they still believe in the Windows Insider program in some way, that it's useful. Maybe new names, new people, and a new sense of direction. I think that's what we can hope for the year to come. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.